I just went all in on Ripple XRP. Today's video is going to be a discussion. Is that a good investment? What do I think is going to happen? And do I believe I'm going to get positive returns or not? It's going to be one definite interesting video. So let's get right into it. Welcome guys to a brand new video on the Crypto Geek channel. Before we get started, please show your support by smashing the like button, commenting down below your thoughts, and subscribing to my channel. The current price of Bitcoin is 42,958. The current price of XRP, 0.77. Now today guys, I just invested all of my money that I have to every last penny into XRP. Now some people may say this is a terrible investment and other people may say otherwise. The reality is, after all the research I've done, this was the best option to do and the best idea because number one, the end of the bull market is coming near. And what we've noticed is at the very end of any bull market is a huge pump, ending it off with a major crash. Now what's extremely important to understand as well is that a lot of people may say that the pump that we had right here, right in this section, is actually the bull run pump, but that is extremely incorrect. The reality is that the bull run pump that occurred in 2018 was this big one, and what we can correlate this pump to is the previous pump that ended up tricking everybody into believing the same thing they're believing now. This current pump that occurred right here was right before the major altcoin pump that caused XRP to go from 30 cents to $3.30, but this was a fake one. People ended up believing that the Bitcoin bull run was done and that crypto as a whole was on its turn to a bear run so that people would stop investing. And that is exactly what happened. People stopped investing and it forced the market to crash and then consolidate. But then things changed completely. A major pump occurred, causing more people to buy in and making people think that the bull run was on its run to begin once more. But then what happened at the very end is something completely different. The biggest crash occurred, causing the entire market to go red, and that really began the dark red bull run, also known as the bear market. This ended up continuing with a clear consolidation for 4 years, and then it went back to its stage of reset. And this is why I keep on telling you guys, the bull market did not happen yet. The big run that we're talking about that went up 1,500% right here, as you guys can tell, huge numbers, right? In this case, it's 1,434%, did not happen yet. And something that we know as crypto analysts is the reality for crypto bull runs is that this bull run has to outbeat the last one. You can't go back for bull runs, and the same works for stocks. If a bull run occurs, there's no such a thing as a bull run happening and not outbeating its previous all-time high. So the fact that we didn't beat our all-time high proves once more that it's not really the big bull run pump. It is yet to happen, but it is on course to happen. Another signal that proves to us that the big pump didn't happen, but it's about to happen, is that a crash is supposed to occur right after the pump, and it's supposed to go somewhat like this, and that's going to pave its way to the dark red market. And then you're supposed to see a clear consolidation. That did not happen whatsoever. So even if we were to say that this is the actual bull run pump and it didn't follow any rules that it's supposed to, it didn't consolidate either. It's supposed to go ahead, pump all the way up, consolidate. But the fact that you had this pump as well, this one right here, proves that it's not really consolidating at all. Proves that this is a move that's going to bring it to another all-time high. It's kind of on course right now to go down, pull out a retracement. And the reality is all the Fibonacci extensions and retracements are proving that once again, saying that it will pump. So everything right now is extremely positive. It might look green. You might get tricked because that's what happened in 2018. People thought the bull run was done right here in 2018, and they ended up losing money, losing loads of money, buying back in at the peak of the bull run right before it ended, and boom, lost tons because of the bear market crash. Now, we don't want this to happen to you guys, and this is why I'm making this video, to tell you guys, get prepared. There is going to be a pump, and it's going to be huge. So if you're holding, do what you'd like, because I'm not a financial advisor, so do what you'd like to do. But I truly believe that for me, personally, this is not my time to buy or sell. It's mostly my time to hold. I bought in at the dip. If you can find a dip, I would probably go in. Personally, I think I would if I were to find a dip. I might go back in if it's lower than what I got it at, but I don't think it's going to pull that dip. So I believe it's my time to just hold and relax, not do anything, and just look how the market transforms. Now, there is some outside external factors, and this is the only thing that kind of scares me for the crypto market. The technical analysis side, the history repeats itself, works, but if some external factors are able to play with the charts to show something when it's not supposed to happen, this is when you start to get worried, because then all technical analysis that's done kind of is deemed irrelevant because the markets would have shifted it. You might have a crazy positive news that comes, pumps the market 10 times what it should have pumped, and now you really don't know how much of that is legit, how much is going to dump when that guy leaves or stops pumping the news, how much is going to maintain. You don't know anything at that point. So we hope external factors don't play an impact into these charts so that they stay on route to what they're going to do. But what I can say is the positive news for altcoins and XRP specific in terms of technical analysis and why I brought up is that the charts are saying there's going to be a pump. There's going to be some positive things coming out soon. The charts are at this time correlating to what they should be, and everything is looking great. There is something real quick that I just noticed while I was making this video. The Bitcoin is actually going down and it's going to pull a retracement. So everything we've been predicting for the last few weeks is finally coming into play. We've been predicting a retracement, so a crash downwards, then a juicy retracement, which is going to be what starts up the bull run. And of course, the lower the down, the more it's going to retrace and the higher the pump is going to be at the end. So this is very good. We're starting to see it. We're going to see, I think, a little bit of a crash, a retracement, a consolidation, and this is what's going to start up the major pump. That is what's going to make the crypto market, and more specifically the altcoin market, pump. So of course, guys, everything is going on route, and I just thought I'd let you guys know. I just want to say that there was this article right now coming out that says XRP's price prediction is that Ripple's looking bullish and they have a target at $1. So again, all of this is good to know because it kind of just reaffirms my position on XRP and the idea of why I've invested in it. There was also another article that came out and said, is XRP a good buy today? And it turns out it is. It's a great investment for crypto enthusiasts this year, and it would be a golden opportunity to get in. And this is by, it's called themodallyfool.ca. So it is an article that deals with strictly cryptocurrencies and stocks. That's the website. And so to have companies and websites and platforms like that are really behind the idea of XRP, and more specifically mentioning that it's a good buy and doing my own analysis, doing my technical charts, basically doing all the research, and having that really tops the cherry on top and proves to me once more that everything I'm doing is in the right direction. I think a lot of people are believing what I believe at this time exactly and understand that it's extremely bullish for XRP, whether it's because of the lawsuit or whether it's the charts and the analysis behind it. Everything is looking good, and I stand behind my words that I really love XRP and I will constantly buy if I have more. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know, are you all in XRP? And on top of that, do you believe there's going to be a pump that really changes the price of XRP and that actually adds to its value? Do you think XRP is overvalued or undervalued? Let me know that in the comment section below. Thank you guys all for watching. I would love to hear your opinions. I also want to let you guys know that please follow me on Twitter and of course join the Discord. All the links are down below for the social medias. We're currently trying to increase the Twitter following just because I post a lot more often on there. I try and post at least a few times a day to let you guys know exactly everything that's going on, whether it's from charts and technical analysis or whether it's because of some crazy news that came out within regards to the SEC versus Ripple case or anything else. I like to keep you guys updated with XRP, Ripple, the cryptocurrency market as a whole, maybe even the meme coins out there, because some meme coins allow you a position to buy in and profit off of real quickly before they crash. So I always talk and discuss all of that on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. So everybody that can subscribe, do so right now. We're trying to hit a goal of 10,000 subscribers in the next 2-3 months. So let's hopefully reach our goal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Stay hodling. I'm a diamond hand hodler, not financial or legal advice, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, and let the charts boom to the moon. XRP gonna reach highs of highs and pump all the way to Mars.